I'm going to put together a mobile base today. I hope you stick around. Hey, it's Todd with TLF Works, and I got a new table saw. Going to be taking it out of the box and putting it together real soon. Let me show you. So before I put the table saw together, there's one thing I need to do. I have this new mobile base. This is a PM-2500 base. I think you can get these at Rockler, Woodcraft, several places. I bought this one on Amazon. Came with free one-day shipping and was at a great price. And here it is. I'm going to be unboxing this today, putting it together. Hope I get the size right for the new saw. If not, I'll adjust it later. So let's put this new base together. Normally this is my shop, but here in Texas we've had a lot of bad weather lately, and so all of my bicycles and everything like that that's in my garage got pushed into my shop. Then Home Depot delivered my new table saw, and we put the table saw right at the beginning of my shop, and I can't really get into the shop. So I'll be putting this base together right here on top of this table saw. And hopefully, I don't need to get in there too many times to get tools today, because it's a pain. Let's see what's in this box. This thing's packaged pretty nice. It's all in good shape, not scratched up. I'm happy so far. Looks like a nice set of instructions. The footprint of my new saw is supposed to be 21.5 inches by 24. So we're going to put this stand together so it'll fit that saw. Maybe you noticed today I'm wearing this cool Awesome Wood Things t-shirt. There's an awesomewoodthings.com website and an Awesome Wood Things YouTube channel. Matt Haas at Awesome Wood Things makes some awesome creative videos and projects. You should really check him out. I came across Matt Haas through a group of makers called Makers Media Network that I now belong to. And he does a weekly show on Monday nights called Everything YouTube or something like that, where he talks about YouTube. You should really check his channel out on Monday nights around 6 o'clock Central, 6 o'clock Central, maybe something like that, 7 o'clock Eastern. Monday nights, check out his channel. He has some great discussions and topics out there on YouTube. The directions say carefully measure and then add 1 inch. So that's what I'm doing, 25 inches and 22.5. Okay, I've made a mistake. Let me show you. I put the casters at the end right here where I wanted them. Put the non-casters at the other end, right where I wanted them. Except I pointed them the wrong way. I need to point this way. That way. Because I'm going to stand at that end and pull the table saw and push the table saw that way. These are facing the wrong way. I need to take this and put it over here. Take this one and put it over there. It's a couple minutes work. Silly mistake. Maybe you won't make it. Are you new here? Are you enjoying the video? If you're either of those two things, maybe you can help me out and hit that subscribe button. While you're at it, click that bell to get notifications, and go ahead right now, it's free, just hit that like button. It's probably right down there, just hit that like button. Helps me out a lot. It's going to promote my channel, share my channel on Facebook, wherever you want. That also helps me out a lot. Thank you. I appreciate it. My stand is complete. Thanks for joining me. I hope you'll come back again real soon.